Hello, my name is Arlene Faulk, and I'm a Tai Chi instructor in Chicago and Evanston, Illinois. Today, we're going to work on some fundamental Tai Chi practices. I'm going to emphasize the energy ball. The energy ball is a light, airy ball that we work with right at our chest area to expand and contract the breath, start to relax, and get ready for the day, the afternoon, the evening, wherever our next point is. So let's begin. What I want us to do is to have our feet hip width apart, knees soft, in alignment with our ankles. Just to be mindful of what we call our dantian. It's the center of gravity. If you put your thumbs over your belly button and make an inverted triangle, that's where our dantian is, and it's about 2 inches below the belly button. Also going to be mindful of an invisible string that gently pulls us up, gives us a little lift in the back of the neck. So we start out in the best alignment and posture that we can be in. Now what I'd like us to do, and I start all my classes this way, is to find our center point, that point at which we're more centered than any other point when we stand. So let's gently shift the weight to the balls of our feet. Bring your weight back to center. If you can, shift the weight to the outside of the feet. And then on the instep, and now back to center. Pressing the middle of the feet firmly into the floor, feeling 50-50 weight distribution, meaning equal weight on each leg, and gently start to move. You can move side to side, in circles, shifting the weight around various parts of your feet. And just start to breathe naturally. And start to relax. And let's bring our weight and our tension back to center. Now let's reverse. What I want you to do is visualize your legs and your feet like the trunk of a tree. Sprouted roots deep into the earth. And let's see if we can make them a little bit deeper. The deeper we can make them, the more stability we're going to have above the earth. Another thing in this movement is, as you can feel, your weight is shifting around various parts of your feet, but always coming back to center. And we want to train our body to do that, so that if we get off center, when we're not thinking about it or not realizing it, our body is going to start to bring us back to center. So let's do that, back to center. Now let's bring the energy up the center of the body, bringing your arms straight up in front of you, about chest level, and bring your palms in towards your chest, relaxing your shoulders and your elbows. And then we're going to exhale with the palms out in front and gently bringing the energy down as you bring your arms down to your side. And let's do that again. So we float our arms up. So in Tai Chi, we want to learn to have our mind focus on sending our energy throughout all parts of our body, and to have that energy do the movement more than the muscles. We relax. And let's do this one more time as we inhale. Again, take as many breaths as you need to. If you can, exhale. Do this all the way out, that's fine, but you can breathe more if you need to. Now the arms are going to come out to the side, palms down to the floor as we inhale, and exhale, shoulders down, elbows down. Inhale, palms up, gaze up, and bring your arms towards each other, about shoulder width. Inhale, gaze back to center, palms facing out, and bring the energy down the center. So every time the arms come down, we're bringing the energy down the center into the dantian. And inhale while being rooted into the earth and lifted by that invisible string. And palms towards each other. Inhale and exhale. Let's do that one more time as we inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale down. Now let's bring our left arm out to the side, and we're going to look out over that arm, slight bend in the elbow. If you can, invert the hand, looking at the back of the hand. And we're going to breathe into this. Let's breathe in and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Now take your other hand, right hand in front of the chest, and visualize a big bow. You're going to pull back on that bow gently, trying to pull back. So we're going to shoot an arrow, but very, very gently. And wiggle the fingers a little bit so you don't take tension. And let's pull back on that string and inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. On this exhalation, slowly bring your arms down to your side and your head back to center. Just for a few seconds, bring your attention to the hand that was out to the side and the arm. See if it feels a little bit longer. It might, because we were taking the chi all the way up from the dantian out the fingers. Literally creating space in the body, expansion in the cells. Other hand, other arm. Let's breathe into this. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now take your left arm in front of your chest, palm directly faces the middle of the chest. Again, visualize that big bow. We're gently going to pull back in the string of that bow, getting ready to shoot an arrow. Wiggle the fingers a little bit on the hand facing your chest so we don't take any tension. And let's breathe in and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. On this exhalation, slowly bring your arms down to your side and your head back to center. Keep your arms and your hands and your fingers active as we bring our energy and our arms up in front. And this time, lower the elbows, bring the arms and the hands up, and turn so the palms face each other. We're holding an energy ball, nice airy energy ball. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a breath in and expand, and then we're going to contract. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. We want to focus on our dantian. We're doing the energy ball, but it's the ball of energy at our center of gravity. This is excellent for balance. We're at our most center point. We're working our energy at our center of gravity, keeping our body relaxed. And it's as effective seated as it is standing. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do one more. And now let's continue by shifting the weight to the balls of our feet as we inhale and expand that ball, and then exhale and bring your weight back to center. And again, inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do two more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Let's do a modification by turning our ball around and holding it right in front of our body. We're actually framing the center of our body. So let's try to keep our arms and our hands and our fingers relaxed, since we've been relaxing in the last few minutes, and just carry that ball gently over to your right side. So we don't want to twist. We don't twist in Tai Chi. We just bring the ball over to the side, and we're going to bring our palms towards your body, and we're going to lower the outside one, raise the left, and turn. You want to breathe. What we're doing is turning just a couple inches from our waist and our hips. Hips don't move too much. The more we can keep our arms and our hands and our fingers relaxed, the more effective and efficient our energy is going to flow. So in Tai Chi, when we do what's called a form, preset sequence of movements to balance our yin and yang, that we move our energy from our center, our waist, and our hips, and not our arms. Inhale, exhale. It's a challenge in our culture because we tend to use our arms and our upper body a lot. And let's do it 2 more times. Palms towards the body, lower the outside. Actually, let's do it a couple more times. I want you to think about the dantian, as I mentioned, a couple inches below the belly button. A line all the way from that dantian up to your eyes. And as a unit, that's what's moving. Just gently, a couple inches side to side. Effective and efficient movement of our energy. And 1 more. And we're going to stop in the center. And we're going to turn the ball over. We're going to take a breath in. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. That's our Tai Chi practice for now. Hope you have not only enjoyed spending time with your body with the energy ball, but feel more relaxed and yet more energized for the rest of your day.